Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you disable color filters on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, in first you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on display in text size. You come to next step here, so then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to color filters, just click on it. You click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color is gone, that's mean color filters disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.